This bird looks like a royal punk rocker and smells so bad, even predators won't touch it. Meet the hoopoe, with a crown of feathers and a poop-based defense system. It digs for bugs with a sword-like beak, and if its nest is threatened, the chicks spray liquid poop. The adult female also releases a rotten-smelling chemical, nature's version of pepper spray. But despite the chaos, ancient cultures worshipped the hoopoe as a symbol of royalty and wisdom. Like if this bird blew your mind. Royal bird that defends its babies with a poop cannon. Rate that parenting.